DIY Fenugreek Hair Growth Oil, the secret to long, healthy hair. Have you ever dreamed of growing long, healthy, waist-length hair? What if I told you there's a secret hair growth oil that's simple, natural, and works like magic? Not only does it boost hair growth, but it also fights dandruff, repairs damage, and leaves your scalp and hair healthier than ever. Today, I'm sharing my favorite DIY Fenugreek Hair Growth Oil, enriched with rosemary, coconut oil, and aloe vera for insane results. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need for this powerhouse recipe. 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 1/2 cup of coconut oil, or your favorite carrier oil, a small piece of aloe vera, optional but highly effective, and a few drops of rosemary essential oil for added benefits. Let's take a closer look at why these ingredients are so effective. Packed with protein, iron, and nicotinic acid, fenugreek seeds strengthen hair follicles and promote growth. Their anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties fight dandruff and keep your scalp clean and healthy. The high lecithin content in fenugreek seeds moisturizes your scalp and helps repair dry, damaged hair. Coconut oil penetrates deeply into the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and repairing split ends. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties fight dandruff and prevent scalp infections. Loaded with vitamin E, it hydrates and nourishes the scalp, ensuring long-lasting shine and softness. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, making it ideal for reducing itchiness and flakiness caused by dandruff. It deeply conditions hair, reducing dryness and frizz. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, aloe vera helps promote healthy, hydrated hair from root to tip. Rosemary oil stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and preventing premature graying. It's known for its ability to fight dandruff and reduce hair thinning. Rosemary also soothes inflammation and refreshes the scalp, creating the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. Here's how to make this powerful hair oil. Start by soaking 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in warm water for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Heat 1/2 cup of coconut oil on low flame and add the soaked fenugreek seeds. Let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the oil turns golden and fragrant. Take a small piece of aloe vera gel and add it to the cooled oil for extra hydration and mix it well. Add 5 to 7 drops of rosemary essential oil once the mixture is cool to preserve its potency. Strain the oil into a clean jar, and your fenugreek hair growth oil is ready. Here's how to use this oil for maximum benefits. Apply the oil directly to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes to boost blood circulation and enhance absorption. Leave it on for at least 2 hours or overnight. Wash off with a mild shampoo and repeat 2 to 3 times a week. This oil doesn't just promote hair growth, it also reduces dandruff and itchy scalp, repairs damaged hair and split ends, moisturizes and hydrates the scalp, adds shine and softness to your hair, prevents premature hair graying and strengthens hair strands. Within weeks of consistent use, you'll notice stronger roots, reduced hair fall, and visible growth. Plus, your hair will feel softer, healthier, and dandruff-free. This all-in-one DIY oil is the perfect solution for stronger, healthier, and longer hair. Try it out and let us know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing beauty tips. See you in the next video.